Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to give us a subscribe and smash that like button. So in today's video, quite an exciting one, I've been looking forward to doing this all week since they turned up, is unbox the Team Transport Hot Wheels 2020 series. So yeah, been looking forward to getting these open. So I think I'll show you them all boxed first. Firstly, we have, as you can see there, 2016 Ford GT race car with a Ford C800 truck. Gone for a bit of a new and old, the old style truck and the new style race car, which is a really nice casting. Can't wait to get that one opened. We have the 69 Ford Mustang 302 Boss retro rig. Massive Mustang fan, and 302 is one of my favourites, so had to get this one. So there's the Mustang. Then we have the Volkswagen Classic Bug with the T1 pickup, Mooneyes edition. Another really cool Team Transport to add to the collection. And then lastly, another one that I'm really excited about opening is the 300 SL Mercedes-Benz and Euro hauler. Really cool looking truck and car as well, so be good to get them opened. So I think we'll start off by opening, what one to open first. Let's go for the Volkswagen Mooneyes. As you can see on the back, that's the full set for this year at the moment. Let's get it opened up. So, there we have it. Let's have a look at the truck first. As you can see, it's got a tilting bed which slides forward into place. Really cool looking truck. Or pickup, should I say. Metal base. Real rider wheels. Slides all the way back, tilts down to allow the car on. See the Mooneyes on the side. Very popular, the Mooneyes and cool combis and Volkswagen stuff, so I expect this one to be a very popular Team Transport. So there's a T1 Transporter, Volkswagen. And we have the classic Beetle, again with the Mooneyes on the side. Number plate. Again, metal base, the rubber wheels, tyres even. And if you can see there as well, the front wheels are a lot smaller, which I don't think has been done before in real riders, so it's pretty cool. I'm not sure if it's picking up on the front, but it says Volkswagen there. Yeah, definitely a cool team transport. There we have it, the classic Volkswagen Beetle, the T1 transporter, Mooneyes. On to the next one. So next I think we will open Ford GT 2016 and the Ford C800 transport truck. So yeah, let's crack. So there she is. Look at the C800 hauler. Again, metal base, rear rider wheels. Castrol livery, which looks really cool. It's a double tilting bed. Yeah, really cool looking truck actually. So let's have a look at the Ford GT. Again with a Castrol livery. They've gone for like the retro truck with the modern race car, which is pretty cool. Really cool details in this one. Really cool livery. So yeah, you can either have it on bottom deck of the truck or top deck. Fits on top deck. So you can fit two cars in here. So yep, there is the 2016 Ford GT race car and the C800 hauler. Next, I think we will open one of my favourites from this series, which is the 69 Ford Mustang 302 Boss. There she is. I think I'll contain my excitement. We'll have a look at the truck first. The Ford Racing Team rig. Now this is the same livery as the Ford Galaxy set, so if that's a C800 truck, you can put the Galaxy and the Mustang on the same truck. It is kind of part of a set. So maybe if I can get hold of one, it'd be cool to do that. Retro rig, metal base, rear rider wheels. Yeah, pretty cool looking truck. And then we have the 302. Really nice casting, the rear rider wheels. Racing Team livery. See the roll cage in there. Plastic spoiler on the rear, metal base. Yeah, really cool casting, I like this one. Can definitely go up there in my top 5 favourites. So there it is, the 69 302 Boss, Ford Mustang and retro rig. And lastly we have the SL 300 or 300 SL Mercedes-Benz. Really cool looking Euro hauler. So yeah, let's open her up. So there we have it. See the car poking out there. So they come with this bit of plastic inside to stop the child sliding in when they're in the box. So don't need that. Shut that door up. Really cool looking team transport truck. This is definitely my favourite truck out of all of them. It's really heavy as well. A lot of metal parts on it. So for you, those of you that don't know, IWC is a watch company. And if any of you follow Goodwood Revival, you would have seen that car there racing around the track. So this is actually an official livery. Really cool looking truck. Again, real riders. I really like the rims on this truck as well. Don't know if the camera's going to pick it up very well, but I'll get a closer shot of them at the end. But yeah, let's have a look at the 300 SL. So this is an official car, and I'll put some footage of that actual car at the end of this video as well, so you can see it in all its glory. As you can see on the back wing panel there, D. Coulthard. It's David Coulthard who drove this car at Goodwood, ex-Formula 1 driver for Mercedes. So yeah, this is technically a car culture car, because it's based off a real race car. Really cool casting. This is the same car as the treasure hunt or special edition one that you can get, which has opening doors, but obviously these doors are fixed shut. Really cool casting. Two little wing mirrors. So there we have it, the IWC Mercedes-Benz 300 SL race car. So there we have it. 2020 Team Transport Series. Let me know in the comments which one out of those four are your favourite. I think for me it's going to have to be the 300 SL, then the 302 Boss, Ford GT race car, and then the Mooneyes. But really cool series, and hope you enjoyed watching them be unboxed. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, leave a comment, and enjoy the rest of the footage. See you next time.
Catch my drift?